Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.
On the shore where the soft waves sigh, 5 ducks waddled under a bright blue sky. With feathers like gold in the morning light, they quacked with glee, hearts merry and bright. But as they splashed in their joyful play, a glimmer caught their eye that day. A starfish lay on the sun-warmed sand, its 5 arms stretched wide like a welcoming hand. Look here, quacked Daisy, the boldest of all, a treasure, a friend, come join our call. The others drew near with curious eyes, the starfish smiled back in its silent guise. Oh dear friend, said Fred with a thoughtful tone, this creature is lost, it's far from home. Let's help it return to its ocean bed, said Lily, her heart full of kindness spread. So they formed a plan beneath skies so clear, to lift up their friend with no hint of fear. Together they gathered on that golden shore, their spirits entwined in an adventure galore. With each gentle flap and synchronized beat, they nudged at the starfish, it felt warm and sweet. From tides that would carry it far away fast, to depths where sea whispers are meant to last. And when at last they reached water's embrace, the starfish twinkled in its watery space. With gratitude glowing beneath sunlit rays, it danced through the currents, a symphony plays. 5 ducks watched as it swirled out of sight, their hearts held a warmth like stars shining bright. In friendship forged strong by love's tender sway, they learn joy can blossom when kindness leads way.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.